All right, hello, Miss Turner's Math 7 students. First, I wanted to start by saying how much I miss you guys, and I'm really glad that you're home and hopefully healthy. I also wanted to say how proud I am of each of you. You guys have showed huge dedication and perseverance. You've been asking me tons of questions, which I love. And so, thank you so much. It really makes me happy that you guys are continuing your education at home. So I am making this video to hopefully answer a few questions or confusions that you guys have had. So first, I want to talk about what is expected from you every day. Okay, so here we go. I am on the homepage of our first period Math 7 class. Third period Math 7, it will be just the same, so please follow along. All right. So first of all, every day you are responsible for your Math 7 question of the day. So today you were supposed to do Math 7 question of the day number 3. You click on this assignment and it will bring you straight to the link. Okay, here's the link. It says Google Form sign in. You're going to click on this link and complete the Google form. Okay, so this Google form is based on the homework that you were supposed to be working on the day before. So it's going to ask you a question about the material, and then it's going to ask you a question based on the homework itself. Two things about this. One, please only submit the Google form once, okay? Only submit the Google form once. And please use complete sentences, okay? And also use your notebooks, guys. All these answers are in your notebooks, and so please use your notebooks to help you. So once you do your Google form, you're responsible for that every day, one question a day. That should be the first thing you do. Now I'm going to go back to our homepage, and then right here I have posted homework number 3, which is chapter 9.2, area of a circle. Okay, so every night you're going to have homework that you are responsible for. So I'm going to click on this link. Right here, it tells you what homework you need to do. Homework 3, complete numbers 1 through 11, okay? And then here are your resources to help you if you're confused. Go to the textbook, these pages. In your notebook, you could use page 24, and that's going to be very helpful. These videos right here, click on these links. If you just click on them like that, it will open up to a video that will help you if you're stuck. So please use those videos for help. Okay. And then all the way down here, if you click on this PDF, here is the homework assignment. Okay. So this is homework number 3. See, 1 through 11. I ask you to either do your work in your notebook or do it on a separate piece of paper, okay? I am looking for your work and your final answer. So remember, I must see 100% work and your answer boxed. Okay, let's go back. So that is your homework. Every day you're going to be doing homework. And then the last thing I would like you guys to check are the solutions. So because you're at home and you don't have my support right now, all I want you to do is to continue your education. So it's really important that we're making sure we're doing it right. Because if you're doing it wrong, you're just going to learn bad habits. So that's why every day I'm posting the solutions. I'm doing all of this work on my own just to help you guys. So click on this link as well. And right here, if you click here, here are the solutions and answers to homework 3 and homework 4. So look, you need to title it day 3, chapter 9.2, first and last name, date, period, right? Your paper should look exactly like this. Here's number 1. I labeled everything. I showed my work, my thought process, okay? Here's my answer. So your work, if you're ever confused of how your paper should look, it should look very similar to this, okay? The solutions are to help you edit and correct your work. So I should see pretty similar work to this, okay? And here is day 4, which you will see tomorrow. Okay, so your solutions, please check your work every day. Now I'm going to go back. So the 3 things you need to do every day is your Math 7 question of the day before midnight. You need to work on your homework. And you need to check your homework. Now listen, I am going to collect homework every Friday. So I'm going to collect every homework for the whole week on Friday. And I will probably be sending out a video about that tomorrow, as well as an example of what it should look like. So remember, daily question must be done by midnight. Please continue to do your homework all week because it will be due Friday. Last thing I want to talk about is if you got behind or you want to go back and look at old solutions or anything like that, go to your classwork, which is right here. Click on classwork. Right here, everything for week 1, which we've done this week, is right here under week 1 remote learning. So you can see you have homework 1, question number 2, homework 2, homework 1 and homework 2 solutions, question 3, homework 3, and homework 3 and 4 solutions. And everything for homework 4 and question 4 will be out tomorrow. Okay? So I hope this clarified any confusion. If you are still confused, please don't hesitate to email me directly or comment below. But remember, you must complete the question before midnight every day. Continue to work on your homework throughout the week because it's due Friday, and check your solutions. We are going to take pictures of our homework, and I will explain all of that tomorrow. So, all right. Have a great day, guys.